Hello friend, welcome back to Total Maintenance YouTube channel. In this short video I would like to show you what to do if you find that one of your tires has a low pressure in it, right? Today I came here, I was going to rotate the tires in this subby. So yes, sorry, it's not Toyota, but I cannot show it to you on Toyota, so we will show it on the Subaru today. We will do exception. So I came here and I see this tire was really low. It was even visible on the ground. So what is the first step you start doing? You are looking through the thread for a screw or the nail or the cut, right? There could be cut in it from the road. There could be cut. Sometimes you will find a razor blade from the construction workers, right? So you are looking for some hole. You see a lot of rocks which sometimes they look like a tip of the nail, so you start poking it out, right? You see, oh, what is this, right? It's a leaf. Okay, so that's not a problem. So you are looking for physical damage to the tire which could cause the leak. But in my case, I couldn't find any physical damage in the tire, so I went to the next stage. I fired up the compressor, right? Filled up the tire to the correct pressure, and I went and grabbed my water bottle here. You can have a soap in it, that's helpful, right? And I start spraying on the areas which were suspicious to me, because I actually found the cut in it, right? I started spraying on that tire. This is actually the tire, and I saw here, right? Look at this right here. So I'm spraying on it, but no bubbles, there's nothing coming from it. Then I'm turning it around, I see the cut in the sidewall, which will be disaster, right? So I keep spraying on that, but there are no bubbles. So I'm like, okay, I will go to the step number 3. And the next step, that you inflated the tire more than it's supposed to be, right? In my case, this Impreza takes 32 psi in these tires. So you don't want to go too crazy, like 60. I don't recommend it. Some people do that, but I put it up to the 40. 40, it's totally safe for the tire. It cannot get damaged. And now I continue with this, what you see here, right? So I filled up this bin, right? It's storage bin. I have them all over everywhere. And I'm like, what's going on? Also, don't forget, it could be leaking through the valve. But look, the valve, I removed the cap and there's no bubbles coming out of it, right? Don't forget about it. You need to remove the cap. So my friend, this is apparently some kind of slow leak, and I'm putting this tire underneath the water, including with the rim, right? And there's nothing really happening. So in this case, right, any movements creates bubbles. Now you have to be patient again. So I keep turning it very slowly, and I wonder if you will find with me the problem. I would like to show it to you, that it's not so easy, right? So again, anytime you move it, there's all these bubbles. Despite the fact it's just clear water, there's no soap in it, right? There's no need. But keep looking with me on this side. So I didn't know how the leak is slow, right? It was on the wheel, which I normally don't see. It was in the back on the passenger side. I'm not sure where I look on that tire last time. Just keep driving it every day. Be patient. This video, you have to be patient like I was. And wait. you will see what will happen. Look at this. That's how tiny it is. This is not a large leak. Now I know I don't have a nail, I don't have a cut. I don't have a cut on the sidewall here, right? Look at this. Look what's happening. So where is that? I, on purpose, will not pause the camera or the video. Oh, that wasn't really good. I should have paused it. Oh, this is like fighting crocodile or something. What's going on here? Look here. Do you see it? The rim, it's absolutely perfect. There's no bend. It didn't hit anything. At least I'm not aware of anything. But if you keep water there, look at it. And that's obviously enough. Such a small leak. It's enough for this tire lose pressure down to the, what was there, 15 psi, right, instead of 32. It was pretty low. I will not lie to you, I just didn't see it. But it keeps coming between the rim and the tire. So forgive me my sin that I show you something in this channel, on this channel, and it wasn't Toyota. That's all I had today, but I thought you might like this little diagnosis, right? And you might find it helpful if the same happens to you in the future. This is a very, very small leak, as you saw it. This will take days for the pressure to drop down, right? I don't have in my small shop, right? You know how the shop is small. I don't have tire machines yet, so I cannot reseat it by myself. I will have to take it elsewhere and just tell them, hey, I will mark it, right, to make it easy for them to find out where it is. I still can see it, these bubbles right here. So I will make a mark with the pen, right, which we use as a mechanics, and I will take it to them and say, hey, can you reseat the tire on the rim? Hopefully there's no damage. I can see the rim is okay, there's no bump or anything in it. And this is the way sometimes it takes. It takes sometimes a lot of time. Sometimes you find a nail immediately, right, it's obvious. And sometimes it takes a while. So thanks for watching, please subscribe. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later.